So the topic of today is the difference between spiritual world and scientific world. And the first question, why do some people judge atheists as immoral or lost?
Immoral or
Because hiyo ni
lost?
kitu ina happen.
Um, I think is as in ukiangalia the origin of everything tells you that these things
Ukishaanza na the word origin,
z
hiyo inamaanisha unataka kuitoa mbali.
you understand
Sawa, I'm on.
due to origin of everything. Hata ukiangalia vile vitu ziko, how it's raining, water vapor goes back to the sky, form cloud, is raining, the way we plant seed in the soil, it germinates, become a plant, produce fruits. All these things, if you see everything that is happening in the ecosystem, you see there is a God.
Which is hakuna mtu amedispute.
So if the atheists don't
Hakuna
believe
mse-
that there is no God and God is a
But
spirit,
the question was,
Eh.
yes, they don't believe.
uh-huh,
But why are they being judged?
Mm.
The fact that maybe unajua Christians wana believe if you don't follow this, then if you are doing the opposite, then inamaanisha you are lost. Most of them wanachukuliwa hivyo.
but for me, I think the reason why wanafikiria hivyo is because we are being told that if you don't accept Christ, then you are lost. If you don't accept that Christ exists, you are lost.
I don't think.
Why? Why are you an atheist?
You don't now you see this is what we're talking about.
Kuuliza,
This is what
alisema
we are talking
atheists don't
about.
believe.
Lakini mbona usibelieve?
Alisema,
Mbona
Bla
mtu
alisema
abelieve?
atheists
Like we have to
don't
have hiyo
believe.
belief.
Why are they being judged? Because they don't believe.
Yes.
That's what I'm telling you.
Okay, let me ask you. Okay, let's not use an example between the three of us. Let's do this. There is a Christian hapa na kuna atheist hapa. No. So why should we see that say ayuko fiti than huyu?
We should
In
not
terms of moral.
we should not put it like that.
Now because maybe I believe in Jesus or whichever Muhammad.
Hatuwezi weka hivyo. We don't hiyo ni kucondemn, which is wrong. Kuna kitu tunasema kukuwa lost.
Then that's our question.
So lost is mean someone who is lost can be found.
But it doesn't mean that they are immoral.
No. Even the atheist, me as for me, naweza sema is someone that maybe hajapata mtu wa kumuexplainia a better way to understand.
No, it's not a matter of convincing, because
it's not convincing.
Mtu, inamaanisha you are trying to make them follow your way.
No.
Why don't you just respect the fact that they are following their way, and wewe una follow this
the
way?
The same way to nikianza nilikuexplainia.
Like mimi najaribu kuangalia what happens in the society.
Ndio nakwambia
Christian nakuwa naona exo mwenye si Christian kama mse mwenye boys anafaa pigwe sana.
But kuna vitu zingine,
tunaanza kushuka.
Kuna vitu zingine logic tu zenye mtu afaa akayakijua. For example, swali ya uliza why are they being seen like that? Even for me, I cannot support that because I don't support judging. I don't support condemning. I only know that this person is lost, but he can be found. So I think Christians should also not be judgmental. Christians, if truly they are following Christ, they should be people who embrace everybody because we are children of God. So I don't think if they should see atheists as if they have people who have lost hope or people who don't know where they're going.
Let me ask you this. Can someone be a good person without following the ways of Christ? Or without believing in God?
There's believing and there's following.
believing. Let's do believing. Let's go with believing.
There are so many people who believe in God, but they are doing wrong.
The question is, can
Yes.
someone be a good person
Yes.
if he's not believing in God?
Good can only be found in God.
No,
You cannot find good in evil.
no. So that's no.
So tell me the good.
Like,
Tell me the good in evil.
no. The problem with wase wanakwanga wameokoka is that if you are not believing in God, then you are believing in evil.
No.
But on the atheist side, because you have to like weigh, atheist side, most of them, I don't know, but what I know about them is that they believe there is no God and there is no evil.
That's how they believe. I don't know. I've never
That's
been
how I
atheist.
think they do. Because
You think, or you are sure?
like,
Are you sure?
No.
We should not think.
No, like,
Are you sure that is?
even though I wanna believe, like,
Are you
hakuna
sure?
God na
Have you
hakuna
confirmed?
Satan. Hakuna God na hakuna Satan. I've spoken to a few, and that's what they believe. Hakuna God na hakuna Satan. But Christians wanadhaningi kama hakuna God, like kama how believe in God, then una believe in the devil.
Unajua kuna
And umesema hapa sahi, good can only be found in God. So inamaanisha if you are not believing in God, then you are not a good person.
no.
Then what do you mean?
Tunajaribu kusema hivi. Let me take you back, even in the scripture. There's a guy in the Bible who used to call Paul. He used to kill Christians. He used to slaughter, kill, burn. But he was a bad man. But out of that, God was seeing good in that. And God saved him from that. And he became a very great guy. So sometimes, good might be in bad. But it takes grace to identify good in bad.
I think una overthink.
Z.
Yeah.
Najaribu tu kuiweka so that you can understand.
Unasema una overthink. Yes, nimeunderstand kitu unatry kusema, na make sense. But kuna ule mse yako tu. I believe in all those stories unasema about Christ. I believe in the Bible. I believe in hata Jaisoma Bible. But he's a good person. And the question was, can there be a good person who does not believe in God?
So, where does your goodness come from? That's the first thing.
You can be said to do right.
Well, it comes from where? From?
It doesn't have to come from Mini.
From for you to do right, where is it coming from? There.
It comes honor. Unaweza amua.
What is doing good? Doing good ni kufanya nini? For example,
doing good.
For example,
like unafanya vitu zenye maybe aziham mtu. For example, either directly or indirectly. Like unaishi tu your own life.
So before someone asikose kufanya bad, lazima ikuwe ni decision.
It's a decision.
So for who convincing? So
it doesn't have to be God.
Sijakuuliza, nimesema sijasema ni God, nimeuliza who convinced him to do good. So he's a God. He's a good God.
When you believe in
When you believe in,
that's when nilikwambia.
So you can be,
that's when nilikushow jitoe kwa hiyo shoe ya believer. Unaona? Na usijeke kwa shoe ya ujamaa. Yeah. Be in the middle. Be like a judge.
I cannot be in the
Be
middle.
like a judge.
Do you know the reason why I cannot be in a judge? Because for me, I know the truth. So you can find someone. You said, for example, the example you have given to me. That guy, wherever he is doing good, but he doesn't know anything about God. He has never. For example, for example, what does nikupatie Blair rahisi? There are people in Congo who are still living in forest.
Okay.
Who have never get access to anything like religion. They don't know anything about religion. But they are good people. They share.
Thank you.
They get food.
Thank you. You have answered the question.
Why does that comes in? Do you know why?
Why?
there's a conviction in every man's heart. Even if you're living in a hole, there's a conviction that this is bad, this is good. As
And
long
what
as
if
you
I
have
know-
that,
And what if I don't know that there is an existing superior being?
there's something they believe on that directs them.
Like,
Eh,
what if I don't? Because
They have
kuna
something.
wase our belief,
They have their own thing.
which is
Even
Yeah,
Africans,
believe.
before religion came, we have our own that used to work
So
for us,
normally
that
feel
used to direct
some
us.
of these things zinakuanga to enable us coexist peacefully in the society. So you can as well choose
uh,
to believe or not to believe, but still be a good guy.
kitu nasema ni being a good guy is positive, and it has to be generated from something positive. Because even for now, like those kind of people, you might go and hunt, kill an animal, and say, this one I'll give to the other family, even though they didn't go. That is heart of kindness. But there's something that I've convinced that guy personally to do that. So that thing,
You
even
can't
for
say-
him, he cannot explain and tell you it's God or tell you. So that's
can't
what for
say-
us we believe is God.
Let me ask the third question. Maybe our viewers wanaweza tusaidia hapo comment section.
Yeah, tuambie.
What do they think? Like the question is, can someone be a good person but still not believe in God? Like you can be a good person but you are not a believer. Hapo wanaweza tusaidia comment section.
Yeah.
Our third question was, should atheists respect religious practices they don't believe in? And vice versa. Same to the
They
Christians.
respect.
Should atheists respect religious practices
Yes.
that they don't believe in?
Yes.
And vice versa pia.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Wewe?
Christians should respect whatever atheists wants to do with their lives.
But why do we normally have this
Atheists also,
conversation?
for example, right now, ni Easter, people are celebrating Easter. Atheists should just allow those guys to walk with the crosses the way they want.
Sikuambia ati Jesus ametoka
Kama kuna time ingine jambo ingine alituambia tukifanya outreach, tulikuwa tuna invite wasee na church na hizi flyers, akaanza tu kusema eti bwana tunachafua hapo na hizo vitu, na ilikuwa vita. Tokeni hapa nyinyi watu wa Illuminati, na kajabu na sasa wakaanza kukua wengi. It was chaos because walikuwa na interfere na kitu sisi tulikuwa tunafanya yenye tulikuwa tunabelieve on. So I think the world is a very free place whereby everybody should be given a space.
So now where do we draw the line to the fact that a Christian can respect that an atheist is an atheist? He doesn't believe.
Is it
And atheist anaweza respect the fact that a Christian, they have their own doctrines they practice, like
the day that I think the day that we will accept that no one is perfect.
Inamaanisha like right now kuna hiyo misunderstanding.
Yeah, because Christians feel that they are right. That is the mistake. If you always think that you are right, then you are wrong.
Explain.
If I'm right, sometimes I don't need to convince you more. For example, like Christians, if they are right, their action should speak. But you cannot tell me you are a Christian, yet your neighbor is sleeping angry, yet you are. Number two, you cannot tell me you are a Christian, yet you see your neighbor as evil. Or you see your neighbor not doing it right, yet you think you are doing it right. As in, don't look your neighbor with an eye of judgment. If you look at your neighbor as part of you who maybe has a challenge, it will be a good one. But most of the time, Christians see themselves as if they are the only people that heaven were created for them. And that is what is bringing all this conflict. They are not portraying the nature of God. which is very bad.
Someone may charge you that religion ilikam na wazungu, because in traditional ways of living walikuwa na their own practices.
Yes.
And kuna science pia, kuna sana believe in science. Ukimletea story ya religion ni vita.
So kuna wasio na believe watu walitoka kwa monkey.
Watu wana evolve.
Eti walitoka kwa Zinjanthropus wakuja kwa Homo sapiens.
Exactly.
To Homo habilis.
And they have proof. And one thing, let me tell you, one thing as a teacher scientist is the fact that wanakuanga na facts.
Which facts?
Scientists wanakukujianga na these and these and these na wanakuonyesha like hey, this is how it happened.
Bwana sijui ni wewe ndio juzi ulikuwa unaniuliza swali. Ni wewe ndio ulikuwa unauliza swali eti kama scientist wanaweza pata bone na waende wafanye research wakwambie hii bone sijui ilikuwa ya 300,000 century ago.
Yeah.
This bone was the first in Africa in 1410. Juzi Moi president amekufa hapa. Watu wako wanajua hata miaka ya Moi. Watu walikuwa na guess hata siku ya mazishi. Siku ya mazishi. Jambo fulani akatokezea akasema walikuwa na Moi. Moi alikuwa mkubwa wake. Na yeye alikuwa 103. So Moi walikuwa wanasema Moi amekufa na 90 something, si ndio? Kuna jamaa alitokelezea alisema yeye alisoma na Moi. Na Moi alikuwa mkubwa wake hiyo time na sasa alikuwa 103 hiyo time. So mbona hawa archaeologists kuja watuambie miaka ya Moi na kuja na hii ni kitu imekufa jana.
I think
yo
archaeologists wanatumianga sometimes
ni miadarati.
Unajua kusema miadarati.
Mtu ameenda huko Kalahari Desert, amekaa huko 4 months.
Unakosa je?
Alafu anakuja na details. Alafu unajua details anakuja nazo. Full scabs karibu 2,000. Yenye anajua
plain.
Yenye anajua vizuri huwezi fuata.
Hapana. Unakosa kufuata.
Bwana hata wewe sasa kukuletea constitution yenye ni 780 pages.
Nakwambia just paraphrase whatever is inside there. Niambie ni nini kwa hii document in 1000 words.
Watu ni wakora.
Hapo chini niambie ni nini kwa hapa.
Mtu anakuja na bones anakuambia yo.
It's better than Christians when wanakuambia believe. Ukianza kuquestion inaambia are you questioning God?
Hey bro.
You cannot question
How
God.
Can you question God?
Exactly.
Your work is to do what?
Believe. Their thing or whatever they believe in might not be factual. I'm not saying they are not, but kuna hiyo benefit of doubt.
Kitu nasema ni hivi Blair. Most things that do with the Christians are more spiritual. And spiritual things are really hard to understand unless you are a spiritual man. So for you to understand spiritual things, it's really hard. The same way, it's really hard also to convince. It's also really hard to convince someone to join atheist. Because you can kuambia say it is unataka kuniprove God hayuko. It will take you so many time.
You don't have to be proven to.
Bro, you have to prove to me because for me I believe
like as in ndo nasema the same way. Unajua kuna wale that's why nimekwambia kuna sana believe in science. Like ukuje uniambie Blair Bible inasema hivi na hivi. Mimi nikuambie there is some scientist somewhere and prove wenyewe that this and this and this ziko. Unaona? Na unasema like for example Christians wana believe that the world God aliamuka from somewhere akasema let there be light.
Akuamuka.
Okay, alikuwa tuseme alikuwa akaamua let's build stars.
Yes.
Let's build.
No, they were there. God only arranged.
Which arranging? According to the what I read mimi,
Earth was without form and void.
According to what I
what
read,
does that mean? Earth was without?
Hebu nipeleke through your step.
Unapata the spirit of God was moving above the waters of the earth. Meaning in the beginning,
Mhm.
water covers, you think things were not in the right place.
Mhm.
Water was covering mountains, everything, some of them were underwater,
Mhm.
clouds were not in the same place, everything, the sea, everything in the world was. So God came and made everything perfect. That's why inasemekana, after creating this, he looked and said it was good. When he finished everything, that's why until God created man, he didn't allow plants to grow. Because there was no manager,
That's religion theory.
no religion.
We've got different theories of how
Religion
the world
theory.
came into being.
Mhm.
Kuna the scientific theory, in fact, zinakwanga sijui ni ngapi.
Mingi
If
sana.
human beings will be scientists, perfect scientists, right now they will be producing human beings.
Haven't there been
Nothing like
haven't
that.
there been
There's no
robots?
one. There's no one who
robot.
ever.
There
There's
is robot.
nothing that.
Huwezi-
Robot is not a human
Huwezi
being.
kwa
Robot is not a
It's
human
not
being.
a human being.
Robot is not a
But
human
sasa
being.
unaona, hizo ndio vitu zenye Christians
No.
wanapiningi down
Z.
the nini.
No
Those who are
one
not
can
believing.
create a human being.
Ni sawa.
So if we
It's
can
like-
get
it's like
someone.
useme someone cannot
Aya,
create-
number 2. Scientists die. Our God don't die.
Acha nikwambie so.
So,
There are
Sio hapo niko
artificial-
sawa.
there are artificial
scientists do
ways-
what?
Die.
there are
But our
artificial
God
ways-
don't die.
there are artificial ways that someone can create a human being.
No.
I can take your sperm and go and
Achana
do
na
some
hizo ni-
magic
hizo ni
with the
parawai.
nini,
Ah,
which is
Blair.
very possible.
Mhm.
Then kuna hizi stories za nini, unachukua chiwawa, unachukua hii dogi
Ona vile
fulani,
una-
una create a
Ona
breed
vile,
of a
ona vile
certain
hizo ni
dog.
scientists wanafanya.
Sizo ndo nakwambia.
God
that's
na
what they
God
can
na
do.
anatoa tu moshi huku.
And-
Anatoa Jacinta huku.
and-
Anawatuanganisha. As 9 months. Kijana anatoka hapo, kijana mweusi
and
mwenye ako na energy.
and it's something that we are able to see.
But
Imefanyika.
hebu angalia
We are
hii.
being taken through
Umeona
the
hizo
steps.
vitu zote umesema?
But kwa Christian
Ehe.
way,
Umoshi
unaambiwa
huku.
believe.
Jacinta.
But inawork kama
Believe.
iwork.
Both work.
Saa hii Umoshi
Both
anatoka
work.
huku. Umo.
Both work.
Jacinta anatoka wapi? Kayoli.
Mm.
Wanatuangana Moshe.
Moshe.
9 months. Wudu Kenya ni kayo kwa kwende robo na nini. Amechangamuka mbaya because it's natural. And who created that? God.
God.
So there's nothing we can
Where can
discuss
you locate to the fact that it's God who created that?
because he can act, if whatever I
And
cannot
that's where
whatever I cannot
Christians
explain.
and scientists huwa wana disagree.
whatever I cannot
The
explain.
beginning, unaona hiyo the beginning,
Eh.
things exist, hatujakataa.
Mm.
But how did they start existing?
Is because there was
So
God.
unaona hapo kwa starting to exist,
Yes.
hapo ndio Christians wanagongananga na scientists.
Because they cannot
Because
explain.
Scientists try to explain, but Christians place wamerelax, we amini manzi.
Aya, kwacha sasa ni kufinish kumalo.
Ni finish man.
Scientists only discover whatever they have found.
Ehe.
Mhm.
Yes. But our
So
God
what's your
creates.
Create.
Yes. So
From-
everything that your scientists are telling you
Alipata.
walipata hapa na most of them wanadedi wanaziacha hapa.
Do you know why scientists they wanasema wame create? No. But have you ever wondered where this thing came from?
Scientists.
Si scientists.
Yeah.
Everything that is in this world, hata umeipata, scientists walikuwa born wakajipata hapa.
Yes.
But have you ever questioned
Yeah.
like where things started being into existence? Hata
Yeah.
hiyo kitu yenye umepata.
Yeah.
Have you ever tried to think about like hizi vitu zilitoka wapi?
Yes.
Zilitoka wapi?
See, we create.
Who created?
In 1920s, there were not things like this in this planet.
Achana
This-
hizo.
Si ndio? Sinakwambia Blair.
Okay.
Ama unasema nini?
Hazikuwa.
These things were not there.
Ehe.
In 15th century, things like such kind of structures were not there.
Mhm.
So things, there is what we call evolution. Man continue to grow because man is a prototype of God. Man is a creator. So after God has finished everything, he put man to manage. But man has decided to create.
That's also another theory.
Which theory?
Hiyo yenye unasema.
So man is here to create and build and make this place a better place.
I don't know.
But so
Nisemanga, as long as you decide to do good, you do good. If heaven is real or hell is real, mtapatana huko mbele. I
but
believe there's no bad in doing good.
there's no?
There's no bad in doing good.
There is.
Which one? What is the bad in doing good?
You just take your money, go bless one weekend woman in your village. Then use that money and kill you with it.
That's not on your side,
Yes.
sasa.
That is good and bad.
Yes, sasa see the so
You
if
did
there is-
good.
if there is heaven or hell
Eh.
now, or if there is God atadeal na ule, si wewe.
Lakini ushadedi.
Ni sawa. If unaona sasa Wakristo wana believe there is a good place, wakisha getting to the other side. Scientists wana believe ukienda umeenda.
Umeenda.
Unavuka mchanga or whichever the thing you are.
But tufanye hivi. I think tutamaliza hii podcast tukifika huko. Tutajua sasa tushatoka hapa chini. Tuko in another world. Tunaweza sema basi huku ndio watu kujanga, because until you die you can never know the meaning of death. And there's no one who can explain.
So
Even the scientists.
where do we finish this now?
Until you die.
So world iendelee tu kuenda vile inaenda.
Yes, those who have died and come back will tell us.
There is no one who has died and come
So
back.
let's
Hata
live
mapasta
life.
wenye unasikia ati I went and visited
Parawaja.
Nikaona-
Parawaja.
nikaona tu we were with Abraham
Parawaja.
over the weekend.
Niko kushua tu utoe sadaka. Unanga place mtu ameenda mbele. Bro, if you are dead you are gone.
So inamaanisha faith.
Then unajua kitu moja pia nyinyi hamjuangi.
Faith.
Kuna kitu moja
Faith
pia
is
nyinyi.
questionable.
Kuna kitu moja nyinyi pia hamjuangi. Unaona hii place tuko hii sasa hii unaona niko hivi. Na nakwambia uko live. Unajua hii unafikirianga. Eti sasa unatembea unadiri. Sasa zingine unapata hii kwa dunia vile tuko hivi. Ndio kifo.
So what do you yeah, it's a good
So ile time tumededi
discussion.
ndio unakuwa awake in the spirit.
Shanza kuingia jaba zone. Jaba nation.
Lakini nafikiria tu as in unaweza pata because wanasema this is the last stage that spirit has a flesh.
So kuna spirits.
This is the last stage that a spirit operates in a
So
flesh.
the first.
The first is a spirit operating as a spirit without a flesh. Then the free spirit come get flesh.
How do you know?
I know because I read, I study.
Where do the studies find their information from?
It was written since in the beginning of the beginnings.
Actually, at the beginning of the beginnings, there is someone who sat down and came up with
Go
this
and do
idea.
research. That's where now research
And that's
comes.
where scientists win.
Go and-
Because scientists research.
Even me, I research.
What so inamaanisha
Eh.
una cling to some things zenye maybe scientists wali come up nayo. Acha
Scientists-
nikwambie,
si
do you know
scientists.
what many others kufikiria that stories za Bible ni za Java. And if you start, okay, I'm not questioning the Bible or something, but if you start thinking of certain stories the Bible, zi sound ka Java. Fiction, ni ka movie. Unaona? Like you cannot locate the truth to these stories.
The day an atheist will be on a sick bed, dying in pain of cancer, cannot eat, being given food with pipe.
Recently, recently kumekuwa na dawa ya nini,
Yeah.
like the same scientists wenye mnasema they are working around the clock to solve solution of the things zenye ziko hapa kwa dunia. Like recently kumekuwa na nini, some scientists wamekaa chini wakakama up na dawa ya cancer. In fact it was some, I don't know how many, 20-year-old boy.
Point yangu was this: if that kind of a person who is an atheist go through that kind of challenge where you don't have hopes, even you yourself ume reach point that hii place imenifikisha sioni kanta survive, and God wakes you back and you get healed, if you hear anybody try to say anything that is not, God doesn't exist, you can kill that person, because that's the only place that you can realize that God exists. You can never realize God exists if you have never been in a place where it's only God that can take you out. As human beings, you only reach a point whereby there's only God you can call.
Acha
But hata
nikwambie,
atheist anafika
there are
point
many things,
that he needs to call someone.
there are many things in this world today that people still don't understand how they happen. But it does not mean that what I discover how these things happen. It's only that kuna msee mwenye bado hajakaa chini kufikiria na kukama up with
Solution.
some solution about them.
Yeah.
So for now bado sana nasema ni God man, hiyo ni yako, but kuna siku mtu atakaa tu chini hiso come up the solution design yenye ukijipata in that situation just to do this 2 minutes later.
Say a madman who has run mad, who has been walking in the market naked for 10 years, get healed, the spirit left and become. So that one you say there's how
So
someone
that's
can
God.
identify.
So that's God.
So wewe unasema hiyo kuna mtu anaweza identify. So mtu akiwa
So
mwenda
that's
wazimu, ukifika 10 years unafanya hivi unakuwa na mono.
Wazimu ni malfunction ya brain.
But have you ever seen,
And I normally tell you kwanza wewe like uenda wazimu ni some malfunction of the brain. So haimaanishi mtu anaweza kuwa wazimu his entire life. Akiwa hiyo ni sawa. Ni sawa, ilikuwa ikuwe hivyo. But haimaanishi anaweza mka siku moja jamaa ko normal mpaka udhani wazimu wake imefika level nyingine. It's just
but for me I believe this way that mtu anaweza, the things that are beyond humans
for now,
bro, forever. There are things for human beings they cannot explain.
Things are coming up,
and those things,
me I believe in technology. Technology to come up one day to prove some of the things that people are thinking, and that's why we normally have problems with our today's pastors. They normally have challenges to convince watu about certain ways of doing things. Now I say their eyes are open, and that's why unapata pastors wako na very big challenge. Like right now, unajua kitambo, you couldn't question some things. It's when umefunzwa ni hivyo. Siku hizi watu wana question, and these guys normally have very hard times trying to explain. So they have kuenda huko chini kuchimba the knowledge, and that's where the world is going.
So the problem is,
time,
so whose problem is who's going through a problem? The person who want to know the truth, or the person who is searching?
Mwenye ako na shida. Hakuna mtu ako na shida hapo.
So everyone then should just live his life. Because bora uambie pastor anasema uongo if you yourself you cannot go and do your research.
Acha watu tuambie hapo comment section.
Yes, because we say if you are an atheist and you're saying Christians are lying, go and do your research.
But you can also not say that non-Christians or non-believers are not good people now because that they don't believe. So it's a tricky.
But that one, because now you based it on Christians. But if you have based it on spirituality, I will have answered it different.
I'm using
There's a
Christians-
difference between Christians and the spirituality.
Okay, I'm using it maybe because we've got Muslims. I'm like there is a way and
Okay, let me
doctrines
break
zenye
it down
wasee
for you. Let me break it
wanafuata.
down for you. We have religion and spirituality.
Mhm.
Yes, so those are two different things.
So
So
like
right now in this show we were talking about Christianity, not spirituality.
Before tumalize like ebu differentiate
Aye,
between
that's
the
a
two.
very big topic. We'll discuss on the next.
Like
Christian.
guzia
I know you will not
Yeah,
end this
okay.
discussion. Let's just
guzia
Azia itaisha leo.
so like
Uh-huh.
okay guzia kidogo so that there is a question that
Ndio ndo maana nakwambia utaleta question. So let's have it as a we'll have it as a discussion.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm.
Unajua hiyo tukianza najua.
So,
Najua hapo question itawekwa naye mpaka saa 7 usiku.
sawa guys labda anaweza tuambia like what do they think
Yeah.
about either being an atheist and not following or not believing in or respecting what Christians believe in and Christians respecting what atheists
But these
believe
are
in.
doing, yeah.
Si ndio?
Yeah.
Mtuambie hapo kwa comment section
Yeah.
niingie hapo. I am Blair.
Asha.
MC Exodus
We are out.
wagwan.